Hey guys, so we're back with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to install comb coils. This is a pretty simple pretty simple, easy hairstyle to do. You can do it on men or on women. This is also a way to start your locks as well. But in this video he's not starting locks. He's gotten this style several times. He just likes the look of the comb coils. So it is also a very nice natural hairstyle or protective style to wear as well. So as you can see, I pretty much use mousse for this. I use a lot of body for the mousse, and all I do is apply the mousse to the hair. The hair is wet. And I also comb the hair out. Each section that I'm doing, I comb it out from the root all the way down to the end and make sure it's detangled fully before doing this, because you can get tangles. So it's important to comb out each section before you actually start twisting. So what you do is just once you comb it out, you just slowly start twisting from the roots of the hair and continue twisting all the way down to the end. As you can see, I got a little snag there, a little tangle, but that's okay. If the comb slips or anything, you can just twist it with your fingers like a finger coil, and it'll unify the coil as well. So I'm gonna let the video play so you can just see how it's done, and pretty much I continue to do this for the entire head, and just keep doing the same thing. Comb the hair out, detangle it from the root all the way to the end, and keep twisting until the coil is done, and move on to the next. Okay guys, so one thing that is really important with comb coils, they're gonna go in the direction that you're twisting in. So if your client or yourself, if you may want, if they want some coming towards the front or going to the side, not all going to the back, it's important to install the comb coils in the direction that you want them to go. So like in this part of the video, he wants me to come more towards the front of his face. So that's the direction that I do them in. If he wanted them to fall to the back, I would do them all in that same direction that I started in. But with that, it also helps on women. It also helps make this style a bit more feminine. So they're not, the coils aren't just all going straight to the back. You can have some coming to the front or off to the side, just to make it look a bit more fun. And that's pretty much it. That's just a tip that I wanted to give you, to also just make sure that you are installing your comb coils in the direction that you want them to go, because once they are set, that's how they're going to sit. Once you put that once you sit under the dryer, or once you sit your client under the dryer, they're going to sit that way. So just be mindful of the direction that you're coiling in, and just be mindful that once you do that's the way that they're going to lay. So we're gonna let you all finish the video, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you being patient with me, as I am so new to YouTube. Also like and subscribe, hit the bell button so you can get notifications of when I upload new videos. And also in the comments below, let me know what other type of videos y'all would like to see. I know I do a lot of different things, so I would love some input from you guys, okay? Thanks again. Bye.